Welcome to Blind and Low Vision Help Desk of St. Louis University Institute for Inclusive Education Foundation Incorporated. Telephone number 074-442-3779 or email at institutefoриnclusiveeducation@gmail.com. I am your host, James Paulo L. Bautista, Area Coordinator, SLU-IIEFI. You can contact me via email at james24paulo@gmail.com or via cell phone number at 0935-707-1351. Enjoy learning! Episode 1: Different ways to navigate an ebook in Word file format. We can say that an ebook is in Word file format if its file name extension is .docs. There are 3 ways to navigate an ebook. First, use Hyperlink and Bookmark. Second, use Find and Go to command. And third, use NVDA browse mode, wherein this is divided into 2, the single letter navigation and the elements list display. Reminder, we assure you that all these different ways to navigate an ebook in Word file format work, especially if your ebook came from our office or was produced by our office Institute for Inclusive Education Production Center. In case your ebook came from a different production center, we guarantee you that these different ways to navigate an ebook still work, but not all. Choose what works for you. Now, we will discuss the different ways to navigate an ebook in Word file format one by one. First up, using Hyperlink and Bookmark. The purpose of this navigation is to allow the cursor to shift from the table of contents to the body of the book, or the specific lesson from the table of contents to the heading or the content on the body of the book. Let us open the file using Microsoft Word because we are into Word document. Then press page down to go to table of contents.
Page break. Page break.
Then arrow keys to
Table of contents.
or to read the different lessons or exercises on the table of contents.
Lesson 1. Elected class officers 2. Exercise 1 3.
Okay, now I'm pressing down arrow.
Develop the habits 3. Exercise 2 3. Take in books 4. Introduction to the Philippines 6.
So introduction to the Philippines. If I want to go on that content, I'll just press home key, then right arrow,
N.
then press enter.
Heading 4.
Now my cursor was prompted into the body of the book, specifically on the heading, and we will now read the content of that title. I'll press caps lock down arrow.
Heading level. To the Philippines. Subscribers number is failure.
Okay. Press Ctrl to pause my NVDA or to stop my NVDA. Then if I want to go back on the table of contents, I'll just press up arrow because I want to go on the same title. So I will then I'll press home key and then right arrow, then press enter. Now, I am redirected on the table of contents. I know you are wondering why do I need to press home key, arrow right key, and enter while doing the activity. Because in using hyperlink and bookmark, it is very important that the cursor is located in between the character or the words of that specific title in order to work. So, the advantage of using hyperlink and bookmark is to allow you to shift or to jump from table of contents to the body of the book and vice versa. The second way to navigate an ebook in Word file format is to use the find and go to command. In this school, there are teachers who will direct you to a certain page of the book to read. So, in order to cope with this demand, find and go to is very helpful. First, we will do the find button, which is Ctrl F. A dialog box will pop up.
Navigation toolbar. Navigation property page. Search document edit selected print page 15.
And our cursor is located in the edit box. So we need to delete
Blank.
Then press or type print page 15 because I want to go to page 15. So I'll type print
P-R-I-N-T print P-A-G-E page 1 5.
After typing, we'll press enter
P15 next result button.
and then press escape bar to remove the dialog box.
Microsoft Word document edit multi-line selected print page 15.
Then to check whether we are in print page 15, we will press NVDA modifier key plus tab.
Microsoft Word document edit focused multi-line selected print page 15.
So we are now in the print page 15. Please be reminded that when you use the find button, it is very helpful to type print page space the page number. So if we want to go to print page 20, we'll just again press Ctrl F.
Navigation toolbar. Navigation property page. Search document edit selected print page 15.
So there is print page 15 selected on the edit box. So we'll just press right arrow to remove the selection
Blank.
and then press backspace to delete the 5 and 1 and replace it with 2 0.
5 1 2 0.
Then press enter.
20. Navigation property
Then
page.
escape.
Microsoft Word document
Then
edit multi-line
caps.
selected print page.
Then NVDA key plus tab.
Microsoft Word document edit focused multi-line selected print page 20.
Okay. The second command is the go to command. So let's press Ctrl G. A dialog box will pop up.
Find and replace dialog enter plus end to move relative to the current location. Example, +4 will move forward 4 items.
Then the cursor is located in the edit box of that dialog box. So to be sure, let's press the delete key or backspace first. Then press page 35. So instead of typing print page 35, we'll just press
3
5.
5
Then enter.
30.
And then
Enter page number. Edit Alt
escape.
plus E selected 35. Grade 7 English Unit on 2. Docs Word. Product activation failed. Microsoft Word document edit multi-line print page 35.
Then press NVDA modifier key plus tab.
Microsoft Word document edit focused multi-line print page 35.
Okay. So NVDA modifier key can be caps lock, insert, or extended insert. It depends what key did you set during your installation of NVDA. The third and final way to navigate an ebook in Word file format is to use the NVDA browse mode. There are two types: the single letter navigation and the elements list display. So to activate NVDA browse mode, press NVDA key plus spacebar. There is a low sound which signifies that you are in a browse mode. So I'll press space. Then again press NVDA modifier key plus spacebar to go out from that browse mode. There is a high pitch sound. Okay. So first thing to do is the single letter navigation. So press caps lock 1. The single letter navigation, we will just press one key or one character, and this character will not be typed on the screen. So example, if we want to move from headings to heading, I'll just press H.
Link Unit 1. Link Lesson 1. Link Exercise 1 out of Link Heading Level 3. Link Developing Effective Study Habits out of Link Heading Level 2.
Then if I want to know if there are graphics in this document, I'll just press G.
Graphic illustration of brainstorming web. It has an oblong shape and has 8 short lines around the shape. Words inside the oblong shape is Filipino epic. In the 8 short lines, list Filipino epics that you remember.
Then another G if there are still graphics.
Graphic road signs for no U-turn, no parking,
Then
no
I'll
right turn,
press
children's crossing, falling rocks, and train crossing.
T for table if I want to locate table.
Table has long description with 11 rows and 1 columns. Level 1 row 1 column 1 sentences.
Okay, tables.
Table has long description with 1 row.
So single letter navigation will just press different keys from A to Z. It has corresponding function. Now the second type is the elements list display. So we'll just press NVDA key plus F7. In here, all the elements of the document will be displayed in one window in a list type.
Elements list dialog. Tree view. Electing class officers 269 of 500 level 0.
So the cursor is already on the list. Press Shift Tab because we want to choose the different types of elements to display. Shift Tab.
Type, grouping. Links radio button checked Alt plus K.
So the default is links, so I'll press down arrow because I want that the things to show is the headings. So press down arrow.
Headings radio button checked Alt plus H.
Then press Tab to go back to the list.
Tree view. Electing class officers 269 of 500 level 0.
Then press up or down arrow to select the desired heading, then press enter to open or to go on that specific heading.
Comprehension values. Exercise 10-2. Reading techniques. Scanning for specific information 207. Exercise 11 275 of 500 level 0.
If I want exercise 11, I'll just press enter because the cursor is already on that exercise 11.
Grade 7. Link exercise 11 heading level 4.
Now, we will press up or down arrow to read.
Out of link 1. Check on which pages of this book the story of Prince Bantigan is found. 2. What are the titles of the 4 units in English Communication Arts and Skills Grade 7 8th edition?
Congratulations! We are now ready to navigate an ebook in Word file format. To end, we'll just summarize the 3 ways to navigate an ebook. First is to use the hyperlink and bookmark. Second, to use the find and go to command. And last, to use the NVDA browse mode, which has 2 types: the single letter navigation and the elements list display. Our next topic is how to navigate an ebook in PDF file.